Welcome back, scrappers and scrapettes. We have found a Panasonic Quite printer on our scrap routes. So we're going to decide to take it apart just to see what's inside of it. Take my magnet here because this looks like it's well, it doesn't magnetize, so that tells me that this might be aluminum. So let's take the journey of taking this a little bit apart. Always put your nails, your screws and bolts away from the machine, just in case it accidentally falls on the ground. So there's a whole bunch of stuff in here. We're gonna put that on the side as soon as I can get. Where's my magnet? My magnet will get that mother. Come here. Thank you. Put that back over there. Let's see. Let's start taking this thing apart. I'm gonna need a flathead. Nope, I only need a smaller one. That'll work. It's got a little lock pin right here. And that came off, and that comes up. Okay. There's another screw. Taking this. Ooh-wee. Well, I hope it's warm or cool wherever y'all are at. It's hot as heck here. I think the temperature isn't supposed to drop below 80 until about, I don't know, maybe midnight. Let's see, what else makes you tick? There's gotta be some more screws in here. Let's see. Well, that's got another pin. Let's see, let's take you out. You're not coming out. Here you go. Come here. Come. Thank you. Okay. Nope. No. My guess is there's screws hidden. No, it just pops off right there. Okay. Well, that's even better. Let's get right there. It's fine, we damage it. We ain't. It's not like we're trying to save it or anything. Maybe if I start from the middle. Ooh-wee. Okay. Well, that's one. There's two. There's three. Then the top just come off. All right. Throw that back there. So, as we can see, that has got copper in the middle of it. You could probably sell that for probably copper bearing material. CBM is what a few people call it. But I'm looking on the motherboard here, and there really isn't much that I can see that would be of any use other than some of that copper there and that small little guy right there. But other than that, you never know. So let's go ahead and finish taking it apart. Take this screw. That one just comes straight up. And there's another screw right there holding you in. Okay, that one's out. Well, this should just come right up. Okay. Now we got the motherboard here. As you can see, this, I believe, is a small motor. You could take that apart, take it out, sell it with your motor weight. Well, you could, but with all this, I mean, it just depends if you want to take the time. But oh, look, wires. Always cut the wires, even if they're small. You never know how much wires you can get at a time. So I'm gonna cut them off. Oh, someone used a bread tie to tie these. Wow, okay. So there's them. Then the rest of that go in the back of the truck. Not too much dust. So now we're going to take this one out. Now there are people that will buy these boards, but I'm not sure if it's going to be like these particular boards. But I know there's people that will buy computer boards and other stuff like that. It's just, you really got to do your research on it, on how much some of the stuff is worth, because you don't want to get ripped off. And you got to do research on where people are at that do it. Little bugger should just come straight out. Why aren't you coming straight out? Let me get these. So I can take it out. There we go. That way I get all my money. Oh, so I'm gonna take that screw out right here so I can get the rest of the cord. Oh, that's got a fuse in it. Okay. Yeah, wire cutters. I could probably, yeah, I'm not gonna be that stingy. So, out of all that, we really didn't get much. So, would I recommend taking apart a typewriter? No, I would not. Now, if you get one of them old typewriters where they're all metal, I would take that sucker out, take it apart in a heartbeat, because you never know what's inside of them. But right now, we know exactly what's inside this one. A whole bunch of plastic. and plastic is no good to a scrapper. So this is the only thing that's worth any money at all. Also, the extension cord. It's another thing that's worth money. That can add up. Also, don't forget on our other video with these. They're all brass. Just like that. Comes out. Sometimes it's better to do it in a vise, depending if you have it. But if you get lucky enough, you can get copper. See? You just got to get the right trick down. The grounds, I have never seen them have copper come out. So, but other than that, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll catch you later.